welcome to the BCom Brigade. So today we are going to start with a new subject, that is business law. So before we start with what are the various chapters covered under this subject, first let us understand what is business law, or what do you mean by business law. So business law comprises of two words, that is business and law. If we start with business, with the word business, you must be familiar with this word. What does business means? Business is any economic activity which is done on a regular basis with the main motive of earning profits. And what do you mean by law? If we say in a common layman language, so what do you mean by law? Law is any rules and regulation, any sort of rules and regulations governing maybe a country, a particular state, a particular nation, anything. So if we combine these two words, that is business plus law, we get this business law, and that is what is the name of our subject. Business law. So as you get it from the name itself, it relates to all the rules and regulations by which businesses are governed. So business law, this subject covers 6 chapters. These are 6 different acts which are covered under the Indian Constitution. These are firstly the Indian Contract Act 1872. Negotiation Instruments Act 1881. This is for basically the credit transactions which happens between the traders. The Sales of Goods and Services Act 1930. UP Sales of Goods and Services and Commercials 1962. Indian Limited Liability Partnership Act, that is the LLP 2008. You must have studied this in your class 12th accounting. And the last is Law of Insurance 1938. It is a general law, but we study it in this. So as I've already told you, business is an economic activity which is done on a regular basis for earning profit, with the main motive of earning profits. Now regularity is the key point here, because unless and until it is not done on a regular basis, it is not termed as business. Okay. For instance, if Mr. X sells his old bicycle to Mr. Y for any sum of amount, it is not termed as business because it is not on a regular basis. The nature of that trade or that transaction is not on a regular basis. It is not for any, like, we can say this existence of profit motive, but it is not on a regular basis, so it lacks regularity. So it is not termed as business. Now law is any set of rules and regulations which provides direction. So business law are set of rules and regulations governing business or pertaining business activities.